This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping hair precisely. Wash, dry, and detangle so clips sit flat. Once done, create a horizontal shelf at the nape and clip upper hair out of the way. Open each clip before you place it. This prevents tugging. Position the weft so the base follows your curve. Press the middle clip first to anchor, then fasten sides. Make sure clips face the right direction. That way the teeth bite into the root, giving a secure hold without pain. Once the nape weft is secure, release the next horizontal section about 1 inch above and repeat. Work upward toward the crown. You attach wider wefts where you need volume and smaller ones around the temples and ears for a natural edge. Make sure to slightly overlap weft edges so seams hide. If needed, tease roots about 0.5 to 1 cm under each clip to increase grip. Also, comb the added hair into your natural hair and check. You finish by releasing the top layer and combing through to blend textures. Heat style as needed so extensions match. Make sure to inspect every clip. Open and close each once to confirm they bite the root. If a clip feels loose, recede it slightly closer to the scalp and press firmly. When you still get slippage, add a small silicone bead or use a tiny section of teasing beneath the clip for extra hold. Finally, do a gentle tug test and adjust any visible seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.